Ladies and gentlemen, I have the pleasure to introduce you to two of the most underrated ICT students. In the left corner, we have a fighter ready to give it all tonight. Standing tall with a fierce determination and an unyielding spirit, please welcome the unknown warrior, Kuya Q. And now, in the right corner, hailing from the world of music and bringing his rhythm to the ring, bringing the streets to the charts, get ready for the one and only. Please welcome Nasty Nash.
Welcome to the TikToks podcast.
Yo, you hear me? Yo, you hear me, bros?
You.
Yo, what's Gucci, my Gucci?
Yeah, I'm gonna call.
I'm just waiting for Q. Just 1 second. You know, the things that happen live. Okay, the market just opened. Yo.
I'm just restarting my laptop.
All right. Why I don't hear you here?
You hear me?
Yeah, but through my computer. What is wrong with this shit?
I'm just
Oh, there you go.
just lost-
I got you now. We Gucci.
Yo, you know what? Man, every time we talk, you pop a beer, right? You open a can of beer.
Actually, you just gave me an idea.
Okay, come back after.
Yeah.
I'll tell.
This is a sound. This is a sound of victory, people. Yeah. Woo.
I should have waited. I would have opened one with you.
Oh shit! Damn.
No, it's okay. Open mine already. I opened mine already. But what I was saying was, yo, you've been opening cans of beer, you know, during the night when you start trading. I'm like, fuck, man, I could really go for a beer. Bro, sure enough, I grabbed a 6-pack today.
There you go. I mean, you know, like nothing is. Wait. Why you I don't see your screen, bro.
Yeah, I just restarted my laptop. I'm coming on now.
Ah, okay. So, wait, let me fix that thing that you wanted to fix yesterday real quick.
I'm gonna mute you on Discord too.
Yep. It's not gonna be possible. to do it the way you wanted to do it.
Let's see.
Because I have to rearrange everything and create a new frame for the webcam, for the screen sharing.
Okay. Yeah, that's cool, bro. No worries.
But I'll do that eventually.
Yeah.
Let me hit up to my homie. My homie wanted to watch the stream.
Sure. Sure.
Let me hit my homie up real
Yo,
quick.
if there's anything that if you can just, the only thing I ask is if you can take out the 50 combine and the balance and stuff. Like just don't make that stealable.
Say that again.
Like you know how you have just like it's okay if you have the order, like the order and the screen,
Yeah.
but could you take out just the top part above chart?
The top part about the chart. Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
Like, wait, like this. Oh
Wait, are
man,
you already?
huh?
Are you streaming already?
Yeah.
Oh, you are. What's up, chat? Here we go. Yo, you did, bro. I burped. Oh man, I'm gonna sound like a whatever. Who cares?
I mean, yo, be you, bro. That's the main point.
Yeah, that was so funny. I was like, what? Okay.
Why the fuck I can't crap this shit, bro? There you go. Like this.
I, I can't even see. Hold on. Gotta find it. Live trading Asia. Hell yeah. One watching. It's me. I'm watching. Yeah, that's perfect, bro. That looks good.
Okay, so we don't have a gap. What's going on in here?
What?
2 days in a row without a gap.
Oh, I wonder if this will work. Hold on. Ah, damn. 2 days in a row without a gap.
There you go, my homie Jose Vila in the house. What's good, man?
What's up, Jose? Oh yeah. What's up, man? Welcome to the TikTok.
So this is what we're doing, Jose. We are trying to figure it out. Sometimes it work. Oh, we have a little gap. Okay. So this is what we're doing. But that's not the gap. Okay. So the candle that was printed at 4:59, the close of that candle is 19,917 with 75. Okay. So
Yo, Nasty, just real quick.
yep.
You gotta change my screen, brother.
Oh fuck. There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
All right. So what we're doing is to mark the closing of that candle and the opening of the candle at 6 when the markets reopen. That gap that is created in there is gonna be a gap that is the price is gonna tend to come back to, right? Kind of. Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Opening like it's so it's always so the opening gap is always so the start of it is the end of the New York session. New York PM session was at 4:59, so it's like 5 o'clock. That's when New York PM session closes, and then what Nasty's talking about is that gap between 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock. So usually it's quite bigger, but the last 2 days it's been uh, significantly smaller. Hold on, let's see if we can find one for you real quick so you know what we're talking about.
25.
Monday, 11
The opening of this candle is 19,916 with 20. With 50.
Okay, so here's one right here. Orders. Give me 1 second. Let me just fix.
I'm gonna put your screen bigger so you can show him while I mark the gap from today.
Okay. Yeah, mine's different. Mine's not from today. It's actually no, yours is perfect. But yeah, so this was the close of August 4th, right? So August 4th. We're on the hourly. So this was the close of that trading day, and this was the open of the new trading day, right? So 7 a.m. 7 p.m. Sorry, so 6. I'm bugging. So this is the gap that we're talking about right here. So usually it's a bigger gap, but the last 2 days has been quite small. So this is what we refer to as the new daily opening gap. And what Nasty was saying is price has a tendency to come back to it. Right. So this was the opening at 6, came back to it around 9 p.m. that same night. Right. But that's usually what we try and do during the Asian session. We try and mark out what the opening gaps are so we know our levels and where we could possibly look to either enter or exit a trade.
Well said. All right, so I got my first strike on YouTube because of the song that I was playing yesterday. So either I find copyright free copyright, whatever, however you say, music to put in the background, or we talk a lot of shit. It's your call.
Yeah. Bro, can you get copyrighted for lo-fi?
If it's a free copyright, I don't get a strike.
Yeah, because I'm wondering if we could just play that like that, you know, or like
Let me
I don't
look
know the
for
mix.
copyright free background music. Let's see. Lo-fi copyright free. 12 hours. Okay. I can play this on the background. New York is hot today. A lot of helicopters, the police around, sirens, fucking crazy people, man.
Jeez. Sounds right though. But yeah, so what do we usually like to do? So I'm making sure I don't enter a trade before 7 o'clock.
Yeah, we just play the waiting game.
Yeah, I wanna practice what I preached yesterday. Uh, which is being patient. So what I'll do is I'll just mark out what my relative equal highs. So Jose, I don't know if you know, but relative equal highs, they're usually it's too high, but fairly close to each other. So that's technically a relative equal high, and then this high with this high is a relative equal high as well.
I
You got
literally have a NYPD helicopter on top of my house, bro.
geez, what right now?
I can barely hear anything. Two of them.
Right now?
Right now. Like I'm gonna try. Look at what I'm gonna do. You see. I'm gonna try to add video capture device. Yes, device. Camera. You see?
What? Hold on, it's loading.
It's leaving now. But it was like literally like next to my window. I could barely hear you. It was next to my window.
Yo, that's a sick view, though. I didn't know you were that close to the bridge, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Not gonna lie.
Yeah,
That's
you
the best
actually,
part. That's the best part of the my residency in New York City.
yeah, that's sweet. That's a sweet view, bro. Nice.
All right. So what I like to do is um mark the previous high and the previous low, which both of them was got swept. This is what the first day that ICT was talking about the end dogs. This is exactly what he did. We're kind of late to the party, but whatever. He marked the previous high and the previous low, waited for one to get swept, waited for volume to get into the mark. Oh fuck, I'm not sharing. Oh yes, I am sharing my screen. Okay. Waiting for one to get swept, one side to get swept, volume breaking the end dog, and literally just waiting for the retracement and entering for a long.
Mm-hmm. That was the same one you took today, right?
Yeah.
Nice, bro. Nice. I was so hungry today.
All right. So what's next? Just waiting.
Yeah. So I marked out consequent encroachment of this wick that was created at 2:30, and as well as the 12 p.m. wick, the one that wicked us out. Actually, is that the one? Oh, the other one.
All right. We got something interesting here. Yeah, we kind of have an SMT happening. Bearish, bearish sign on ES.
Oh yeah. What are you on the minute?
I'm checking out the minute right now, but yeah, you also have it on the 3 minutes, on the 2 minute. But yesterday. Oh, okay. Let's talk about what happened yesterday and how we could take another better decision.
Do it.
We didn't zoom out. We was too focused, and we literally just play dumb. Because if we would have zoomed out, it would have been a very successful trade. Yes or not?
Yep. You're right about that.
I'm looking at it right now. It was at 6:15. Oh no, I'm looking at it. Yes, my bad. Um, yesterday at no, it was at 7, right?
Yeah, it was. Give me 1 second. I'll pull it up too.
Yes, 6:15 was a move. 6:15, between 6:15 to 8. It was kind of like a consolidation, and then we saw yeah.
Yeah, it was this
Go ahead. Go ahead.
7:45. So 7:45 was that first sweep that we were looking at, the one that I was waiting for, but wasn't patient enough. And then the entry for that market maker buy model was here. Let me clean up my chart real quick so I can show it properly. So you have the SMT here. SMT was right here. You have relative lows right here. Okay. Relative lows. Right. And then hold on, is it not like that? Okay. So you had where'd it go? Where'd it go? Okay. So this was the SMT on ES. This candle is the same as that candle on NQ. You had a low, and then the SMT happened here, right? So NQ swept that low, but ES was unable to, and then it created. So this is the 15-minute chart. We'll zoom in on the 1 minute in a bit, and then you had your fair value gap to the upside, right? Fair value gap to the upside on NQ as well. This was the market structure shift. So what is a market structure shift? The market structure shift is a
Change
change
of
of
character.
change of
Yes.
character. Yep. So you had your market structure shift here that was created by a candle with like a displacement candle. So this area between this wick and this wick is what your fair value gap is, right? So that's what you're looking for. So you had your market structure shift with a displacement candle, and then you had price reach back into it. So let's zoom in on the 1 minute. Same thing that happened on ES. So zoom in on the 1 minute. Find it. Okay.
ES
So
is a short for S&P 500.
right. Yeah. I feel like you're right. We should say that.
He's learning.
Um
He's doing great, and he got a lot of questions, and he already got the fair value gap down. Now he's learning the inverse fair value gaps, and the imbalances and the market structure shifts, the change of characters, and yeah. So he's
nice.
good.
Okay, cool. Yeah, but this is what we were looking at. So we got chopped up in this area here where we got chopped up. Um but yeah, if we had zoomed out just even a little bit more, we would have seen this market maker buy model get created. So that's one of our main focuses for today. We're gonna make sure that we zoom out before we enter the trade to have a good view of the overall move.
So for what I oh, this time of the day is beautiful. The sun is hitting on my face at the sunset. The beer tastes even better.
God, I had a beard,
So I mean, you have to have a beer with this sun in your face, bro.
bro.
Um So what I'm seeing, not necessarily on ICT, but Justin and Tanya, they stick to the 5 minute, and then they look for the entry on the 1 minute and the 30-second or 15-second. But
Mm-hmm.
when they are just waiting, playing the waiting game,
Mm-hmm.
they just stick to the 5 minute, 5 and 15 minutes to see while we are down, while they are waiting for the swap of liquidity.
Yeah. My bad. I didn't mean to laugh at that, bro.
No, yeah, no, I'm kind of fried, man.
No, you're cool. You're cool. Yeah. No, that makes sense though, because that's technically a higher time frame, right? Like the 5 minutes is the higher time frame.
Risk disclosure, please. If you don't want to lose money, do not copy us. This is
Yeah,
not
for real.
financial advice. This is simulated results and doesn't represent any actual trading. Okay? Thank you.
Yeah, I guess you do.
You gotta say it. You gotta say it because you never know. Somebody can be watching and then take a trade, lose money, and sue us.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so what am I looking for? I'm looking. Oh man, I don't know what my bias is. I think I'm still short, bro. I might still be short. What's your bias today, Steve?
I don't quite have a bias, to be honest. Like I so let's see. Let's put this on perspective. I'm kind of I want to see the price going up towards yesterday's high. I mean, New York's high, 19,979.
Mm.
Create a nice fair value gap in no, not fair value gap, no. Just sweep that liquidity. Just sweep that liquidity and then maybe retrace a little bit. But if anything, I mean, it's hard to say right now because the market just opened. But if anything, we're going, we're on the way up to sweep that liquidity. But anything can happen. I'm not married to anything. But like I
Mm.
say, like we are closer to the buy side liquidity than what we are to the sell side. So if anything, I want to see the price sweep that buy side liquidity and then, like take a trade on the retracement. So if anything, I'm bearish as well.
Hmm. I like that. I concur with that. Cause that's what I'm looking for too. I'm either like I'm waiting for price to take consequent encroachment, possibly this buy side liquidity. That was dated what? That was 230. Yeah,
Yeah,
we'll see. Like I don't
exactly.
know. Like
That's
if it
that's the one that I'm waiting for.
Yeah, it makes sense. Like if so, this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking if it takes buy side liquidity from 230, I'm sure. I think, I'm still learning, but I think like if it takes the 230 buy side liquidity, I don't see it not taking this relative equal high that was made earlier this morning, 1040. The 1040 high, New York AM. But here, I'll tell you what I think. Yeah, I think price can do this, come back down, suit this low. That's this is sort of what I'm hoping will happen. At least that's my bias. So sweep and then pull down.
Tomorrow we got a lot of red for the news on
Yeah.
GBP, Euro, and USD. Everything that is, I know you don't have it on your you have a filter on your Forex factory, but you should keep in mind the further news that affect the euro as well, because those move the market as well, you know. Remember
Yeah.
so the correlation between euro and USD means DXY, and DXY is an inverse correlation with Nasdaq. So it's always good to have those things in mind. Like for example, the candle that happened today on Forex Factory, you didn't see a news today at 10, and effectively we have a huge move at 10 right here at 10:30. So it's always good to just, you know, like see what is happening around. But I mean, be my guest if you don't want to, you know.
Yeah. No, you're right. You're right. I took it off because most of the time I was doing it was the New York session. But you're right. You're right. I'll fix. I'll fix. Oh yeah, we did. Eh? We had crude oil. 10:30.
You see how, you know, like it's an orange folder, but that was a nice move right there.
Yeah, I did. You're right. I did take off orange folders. How did I do that?
I mean, with everything that is happening on the east, how is that called? Middle East. Yeah,
Yeah.
with everything that is happening on the Middle East, you know, news related to oil and all of that, like you have to keep it in mind.
Yeah. Yeah. You're right. You're right, brother. You're right. Oh, consequent encroachment has been touched. Let's see what it does here. So that's the consequent encroachment of the 15-minute wick from 230. Oof, bro, I can feel it, man. I can feel the want to get in. You know, I feel it. I feel it swelling. It's disgusting.
You feel what the you went into a trade or what?
Yeah, bro. I just I'm getting itchy, bro. I'm getting fucking
But look
like
for
triggered.
confirmations. Wait for confirmations. You know, SNTs and
Yeah, I know. I think that's the hardest part about trading, bro. Is like the whole patience. It's literally patience.
it is, man. Cause oh boy, this is the worst part of trading actually. Just being around. At least we got each other to talk shit. Cause if not, you can I can tell when I start getting bored. Like I start saying shit and touching buttons, changing for the practice, start like itchy.
Yeah, yeah. I switched to my practice account right now because I feel it, man.
What's the difference between NW and NQ? You were looking at NW. Yeah, Jose, just um type that again because you deleted it. Maybe you realize already that NW. What's the difference between NQ1 and NQU24 you were looking at?
Contracts. I think he's talking about contracts, brother.
NQ1 and NQU24.
I think
NQ1, oh, NQ1 is Nasdaq. And yeah, and NQU is a contract of is August, September.
Yeah, I think. 'Cause every month it changes, right?
So yeah,
Because you can't, like, if you trade futures, you can't trade the NQ1. You can't do that because there's no contracts. So the way it works is every month there's a new contract that comes out for NQ, and it's only active for the month. So, oh yeah, bro, I totally forgot. We're getting close to the end of the month. Rollovers is gonna happen soon.
so when you go to Trading View, right, and you wanna look at Nasdaq, if you type NQ and press the arrow, you got NQ1, and then you got NQ2, and then you got NQU, C, H, M, U, C, C, all of that, right? By years and everything. When you're trading futures, you trade contracts that change monthly, as you can see on my screen. When you are trading futures, but not on a prop firm, when you're trading with your own capital, I think that, no, sorry, when you're trading Nasdaq, not futures, you just you have access to Nasdaq, and that's it. You don't need to change contract. I think that's what it is. What's the difference between NQ1 and NQU? Okay, so NQ is just the ticket for the contract, and NQU or C or H or M is the actual contract that you're trading. As simple as a Google search real quick. I heard other feeling there and you're too quiet.
Wait, what happened?
I heard an order feel in there and you're too quiet. What is going on?
Oh man, I took a short. I'm in a short, but on my practice account because I'm getting itchy. Like the 15-minute candle just looks too good because it rejected consequent encroachment.
Yep.
You got the 2-minute SIBI. You got the 2-minute fair value gap to the downside that's being respected. Hold on, let's see. Was that an SMT? Oh yeah, that's an SMT, dog. Yo, I'm getting in on my real account.
Which one is SMT?
One second.
From the candle at 4? Or which candle are you using?
So 15-minute. If you go on the 15-minute,
Yep.
consequent encroachment got hit by NQ.
Yep.
Consequent encroachment didn't get hit by ES.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I'm getting nervous. No, I said I would practice fucking patience. Fuck.
Did you enter with your real account or just the practice?
No, practice. Practice right now.
That's not a 100% an SMT. You know that, right?
Yeah. That's also why I don't want to do it on my real account yet, because I'm like, woof. I'm just antsy, bro. I just want to get in.
Just practice patience. Practice patience.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Also, did that answer your question? Type 1 in the chat if you got the answer that you were looking for. Type 2 if you didn't understand.
I like that. I like that.
All right, so we got my homie QJQ. Oh, Jose type 1. Okay, he get it.
Good explanation, brother. Good explanation.
We got QJQ that entered a trade.
On his, on his practice account, fellas. Okay? And ladies. Man, I haven't had a beer. I'm really enjoying it.
You say
Oh,
what?
it's a non-alcoholic beer.
It's a non-alcoholic beer?
No, it's not. But for the audience, it's non-alcoholic.
Bro, don't start like yesterday, okay? You guys better chill out. I'll walk you. I fed you. I play with you. You want a treat? I give you a treat, but stop, okay? Guys are very annoying lately. Here, you got a treat right here. Here, go run. You chill. Come on. There you go. Bye. You don't even fucking guy. Don't even chew.
Was it you from Spain?
Yeah, he's from Extremadura, which is a little bit farther northwest from my hometown. Well, a little bit, like maybe like 3 hours and a half, I think, driving kind of thing.
Mm-hmm. How'd you guys meet?
Miami.
Oh, you met in Miami? That's dope.
Yeah. Yeah, we've been friends for years already.
Nice. So he still out in Miami now?
Yeah, he's a Miami guy. He works in the University of Miami.
Oh, you're all good, man. No worries. No worries. That's sweet. So Jose, are you a teacher?
He worked in the library,
Okay, nice.
and he also worked with an architect, and yeah, he's a hustler.
Yeah,
He's an
that's the
investor. He got a lot of investments on, on stocks and crypto.
hmm
Yeah, he's doing good.
nice, man. Nice. Professor library. Nice. Like that. Like honestly, bro, I've been saying this, but I'm pretty sure. I don't know what your thoughts. I don't even know, but I think there's a housing bubble in Canada, man.
It was a what?
A housing bubble in Canada.
Yeah, something happened. Something happened because I was I left for my workout and grounding and meditation, and then I didn't even take my phone with me. And when I came back, I left I don't know why I left Top Step YouTube channel open. When I
hmm
came back, they were talking about something happening in there that it was that is gonna affect the economy like very hard. I don't I didn't get it like 100%, but I thought that
Yeah.
you might know.
Man, I don't know. I've been saying it for like 2 years. I remember I was at work and I was talking to people, and like just the consensus between like the people I knew, man, like a lot of people's mortgages were like coming up for renewal, and like, bro, in my neighborhood alone, I think there was at least 12 houses up for sale. You know what I mean? So like we have so much supply, but the demand isn't there. You know what I mean? So like, I don't know, bro. I definitely think there's a housing bubble in Canada right now. I don't know about the states, but like just the housing market right now is crazy, bro. I would not want to own right now, or even be on the market for a house. Look, it's crazy. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
I used to think that, like, I don't know, I just changed my mind a lot. I was thinking about that yesterday. Uh, the person that I was before coming to United States and the person I am now, and how I see economy. And before I was complaining, right? I was like, man, but it's not affordable. Like we can't have, like a bare minimum thing. It's fucking everything is fucking expensive. But now it's like, if I see a bubble burst like that, it means opportunities. You
Yeah.
know,
Yeah.
for some, obviously somebody have to lose on the transaction. It's very unfortunate, and like I don't wish any bad to anybody. But if anything, a burst, if the bubble burst, I I will start looking for opportunities. You know.
Yeah. I agree, bro. Like if that happens, man, like because I already think we're in a recession. Like we've been in a recession for a while now. You know, keep, they just keep printing money. It's crazy. But
Yeah, but it's an election year, and they're gonna keep pushing the price up to make it seem that we're good. Probably we see a healthy re how is that called? Retraction? No, a healthy
what?
move to the how is that called when you say a healthy move to the downside, like retracement? Yes,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
see a little healthy retracement. Everybody gonna start freaking out, and then Trump gonna say, "You see what I'm talking about? I'm the solution," kind of thing, and then he gonna get elected, and they're gonna use it for their good. I see
yeah,
that happening. It's manipulation. You know.
yeah. Yes, sir. Sir. Oh, oh, what time is it? 6:46.
I I don't know. Yeah, the encroachment sounds good, but if you go to lower time frames, I wanna see that liquidity get like grabbed before
Yeah.
going down.
We shall see. I don't know. I'm pretty comfortable. I sort of want to get in on my real account on this one. A little bit. I do.
All right, so Q is in a short right now, aiming for what, and where your stop loss located, and why
Uh,
and why did you put your stop loss in there?
Give me 1 second. Yeah. Order filled.
Oh, you got into your real account, huh?
Yeah. But MNQ. Oh, I'm in a micro.
Okay, that's fine.
I gotta switch my.
This is a nice entry for sure, actually. But I'm not too comfortable. I'm gonna pass. I wish you the best of luck. How much are you willing to risk
$20.
to
16
make?
right now.
What's your target? What's your TP?
TP. Oh boy. I bet you it's down there, bro. Hold on.
Yo, don't
That,
laugh. I mean, listen, micros, bro, that's the shit, you know? Like you can get into a trade with a micro, if they start moving your way, start adding to the position, you know? Like you can make good money trading micros.
yeah. No, I agree. I agree. I think it's because I'm so used to minis. But like on my practice account, I'm aiming for this. Uh, Relative equal lows. Let's see. It's only like I did a micro because we're still in. It's not 7 o'clock yet. Like, we're still in that first hour. So let's see. I agree though. I agree. I think because we started off with micros, bro. I remember. I remember.
If you want me to be honest, like if you want me to be 100% honest, my sweet spot, to be honest, is 4 micros.
Yeah.
I feel very comfortable taking trades with 4 micros and then adding to my position or taking out.
Hmm. Yeah. I don't know, bro. I've really come to like minis, man. Yeah.
Damn. Minis are the shit. The problem is that when you make money, you make good money real quick. But when you lose it, you also lose it real quick.
Wait, I can't hear you, bro. You're too far.
My bad. I was just opening the beer in the kitchen. I say that the good thing about minis is that when it moves your way, you make money real quick. But it's also the problem at the same time because when when you move the opposite way, you lose money real quick, you know. And it's cool, you know. Like if you have a nice strategic setup, you can make it happen. Remember, I you were trading a bunch of micros, and I was like, yo, let's move to minis because you know, like if anything, we can make this shit happen real quick. And now Mascaras is the one that I step back, and now you're you're on the big leagues. But you know, I just have to work on that thing that we talked yesterday. I
Yeah.
paid $300 to realize that my problem is fear. It's nice. It's nice.
Yeah, bro. An expensive lesson, but worth it, huh?
What can I tell you, man?
So I got okay. Hold on. Let's do a recap. I got in because it touched consequent encroachment. Um,
Can you explain?
I
Can you explain? What is consequence? Is however the fuck you say that? You know that you didn't you realize that I didn't even say it because it's so hard for me to pronounce.
Yeah, just call it CE. Okay, so hold on. Let me pull it up. So consequent encroachment, from what
Consequent
ICT
encroachment.
explains it as, is so you use your consequent encroachment for gaps only, right? So only for gaps or for wicks. So if you have a fair value gap, so we'll use this fair value gap right here. This fair value gap. So this fair value gap,
Inverse fair value gap. No?
not really. No, because it continued upwards.
But look at
Oh,
your left.
yeah. Yeah, yeah, inverse fair value gap. But for just lesson's sake, so the inverse fair value gap or the fair value gap. So 50% of that gap is what he calls the consequent encroachment. And it's the same for wicks, like really long wicks. So it's not equilibrium because it's not trading within a range and you're only trying to find 50% of that gap or that wick. So ICT says 50% is consequent encroachment. That's how I understand it. Uh, but the major difference, why isn't it equilibrium? This is what he said. So why isn't it equilibrium, and why is it consequent encroachment? It's because it's not trading in a range, and you're only measuring in the gap itself. That's why it's consequent encroachment.
Nice.
Yeah. We're still in a loss.
So remember, if you want to trade scalping strategies, oh, okay. Let me answer the question that he asked me before, because he I mean your screen sharing. Maybe you wanna explain it. He said that
No,
if you, our strategy pretty much fair value gaps, inverse fair value gaps, market maker buy or sell models. If it works in bigger time frames, like an hour and the hourly time frame.
sorry. What was the question?
The question that he had is that if our strategy, if ICT strategy works in bigger time frames, like an hourly time frame, 1 hour or 4 hours,
Mm-hmm.
that's the question.
That wasn't a question though. Hold on. So it does it work on the higher time frames?
The question is, does this ICT strategy works in bigger time frames?
Yeah, you can use it to swing for sure, but your risk tolerance needs to be higher because you're not like you'd either have to move to minis so that way you can play that big range a little bit more because what's yeah, your risk tolerance would have to be higher if you played because you'd be technically swinging it, right? Like it wouldn't be just minutes, it would be hours that you're in that trade.
So then he should move to micros if he wanna have more room for the stop loss or blow the account in one trade.
Yeah, yeah, like you could for sure, for sure. Like it just depends on your risk tolerance, right? Like it always comes down to your risk tolerance. Like if you have bands, and you really believe in your edge, you can swing it. You can use ICT strategies for swinging, uh, for that day. But you also have to remember that the market closes at 5 o'clock, right? So you have to you can either manage it until 5 or just leave it. But you got to make sure that regardless, you're gonna get stopped out at 5 o'clock. So whether you're in a loss or in a win, you're gonna get stopped out at 5 o'clock.
They close the position at 4
Or
55, 56, something like that, and then you can open a trade again at 6, but you
yeah,
have a window of 23 hours and 45 minutes. Every 23 hours and 45 minutes, they're gonna close your position if you're trading with a prop firm. If you want to
Yeah.
trade with your own capital, you can do it because the position is going to be open. But you have to keep in mind also that if you trade in futures, when you change the contract, they're going to charge you an extra fee when you close a position. And
Yeah.
if you hold it through the weekend, that's also an extra charge, which is not a problem if you're aiming for bigger, like take profits. But then you will have to, I would say, like instead of trading with a mini, trade with 4 or 5 micros, or even maybe less. That way you have bigger stop loss just in case if the price move to the other side. If you
Yeah.
want to swing throughout days, but if you want to stay on the trade for longer period of times but not carry it from one day to another, you can use prop firms and bigger size per se.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it just comes down to what you're comfortable with. Um, like I personally don't have the temperament to be able to sit, uh, like go about my day in a position. I don't have the temperament for that. That's why I'm a scalper. Like if I can get into a trade and be out within the first 30 minutes, oh, I'm good. Like the rest of the day is. But if I was to get into a swing position, um, it's gonna be rough for me for the rest of the day. I'll be checking my phone. Um, it just won't be a fun time for me. All right, so the 7 o'clock injection is happening. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. It's going.
We got a volume imbalance on the 1 minute. Price probably gonna feel that on NQ, on the 5 minute, sorry. Also on the 1 minute. It's bigger on the 1 minute. Yeah, so we get so 7 p.m. is pre-Asia, right? Is when the market like 8:30 on New York.
Wait, what?
So 7 p.m. is like pre-market on Asia. It's like 8:30 in New York. The market is not open, but there's a lot of volatility that comes to the market.
Yeah, yeah. From my understanding, because I always notice like the 7 o'clock, bro. There's just volume. Volume just starts coming in. It starts moving price for about 5 minutes. Um, yeah, that's what I noticed. I'm assuming, bro. You know what? We should find that lecture that he talks about, uh, like Asia and New York.
Yeah, that's on the Forex. I think it's a 2016. What is that link thing that you have in there, bro?
The what?
When you move your cursor, your mouse on the bottom of the ticker where it say NQ, whatever, like it say link. What is that?
You can customize it. So based off the color, you can just change the color. So like my white one is MNQ, and then um my orange is NQ. So instead of always having to change it from here, I can just change the color.
What? How you do that? Damn.
So you click link. So click the link, and then click settings, and then when you find your color, you save it as default.
Wait, where's the link? Wait, let me show you. Let me see again.
So right here.
No, but I don't have that.
How did I? Oh, go to indicators. Click on indicators, and then look for link.
Color link?
Yeah. And then turn it on.
Oh, okay. Wait. Wait. The fuck am I doing? Thank you.
So that's what I do. Like, so I have my orange and my pink. So my pink is my ES, and then orange is NQ. And then if I decide that I want to move to micros, then the white is my MNQ, so micro, and then my red is my micro ES.
Wait, this is annoying. This is being annoying. Wait. No color. Okay. Now you go to NQ. NQ is gonna be red. You see? Why? Oh man, I'm getting old, bro. What is this?
What?
Big with volume profile. I don't understand none of this shit.
I can't see your screen, bro. Let's see your screen.
Oh, so I have NQ here. I go to
Give me one.
indicators.
Hold that thought, Nasty.
Yep.
Jose. Actually, to see where his profits are in TradingView or in TradeAway, but TradingView.
Say that again.
Here, hold on. So go to TradingView. There should be near the bottom. It should show you. Uh, Give me 1 second. Let
Oh,
me pull
I'll
mine up.
open it. I'll open it. I'll show him.
Okay. Hey, bro. Here we are. Yeah.
You should be able to hear me now. I just fixed that. You should be able to hear what I'm saying now. It's because I changed the screen and that screen wasn't properly set up. But you should be able to hear me now. Yes. Okay. So you should also be able to hear Q. Okay.
Yeah, he said one. He said one.
Yeah.
Nice.
Damn, man. Like this is the streaming is another world. Okay, so when
Yeah.
you have Tradable open, you should be able to see the equity, the open profit and loss, and the total profit or loss for the day. If you want to see a report more in depth, you go to the right side, this tools window, where it say reports. Just click in it. Make sure that you press on today, performance, and then just go press go. And you're gonna see all the details and everything. The orders, the same thing. Position history, the same thing. But it's on that window. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 from the bottom. There we go.
You want to show him trading view as well, so you can see his order history, and trading view.
Do you have, Jose, do you have, you can connect, oh, he don't, oh shit. You, no, he don't have, he don't have, freaking, trading view. I mean, he had the trading view, but with delay prices, so you know what I'm saying? He's trading on Tradable because we were looking at it and the you have to pay membership for TradingView.
Yeah, yeah. I think that's the only problem for live data. For live data, it was like, bro, you got to get plus, right? I think that's like $60 Canadian over here. Crazy.
All right, so back to this link thing. Uh, white is gonna be ES reset setting. Okay, reset setting. NQ. I want NQ to be on red. You see, I press red and it sent me to ES. What the hell is going
Yeah.
on?
Nah, bro, you the yo, you have to set it as save as default. So you see, okay, so white, you want ES to be white.
I want ES to be white.
Okay, okay. Don't click that top one, bro. That top one is cancel it. It cancels it. Yeah, that cancels all of it. So don't click that. Don't
Okay.
click it. But NQ, if you want NQ to be white, click on white again.
No, I don't want NQ to be white. I want NQ to be red.
Okay, now go to defaults. Wait,
You see?
go to default. That tab on default, and then save it. Save it as default.
But I don't want ES to be red. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, bro. Here, I'll show you. So for this, like, because I want ES to be pink, I'll click pink, right? So I'll click pink, and then I'll click save as default. And then because I want NQ to be orange, I'll click orange, and then save that as default. So now all you have to do is just change the color.
Huh. Let me try. All right. So I split my screen. I have NQ on the left and ES on the right. ES, I want you to be white. You see?
Yeah. Yeah. So, bro, you have to type in.
Reset settings. Fuck it.
No, no, no. You have to put the indicator on for color. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm getting stressed out. I'm not even trading.
Sounds good, Jose. Sounds good, Jose. Thanks for coming through, man. I appreciate your time, brother. Um, you have a good night. Jose's out, bro.
Jose, talk to you later, brother. Be safe.
Mañana, mañana.
All right. So, thank you.
No, bro, ES you put as not there, bro. You can't put, that's the prohibited sign. It means do not enter. No, you want it red, bro. Yo.
But if I press red, okay, red and save at this default.
That's nasty, nasty. That circle with the line going through the middle, that's not a color, bro. That just means it's not linked. So don't touch that one. So
Okay, I
put
don't
your
want anything linked. I don't want anything linked. No, it's what the fuck is going on in here, bro?
there you go. Okay, okay, cool.
Okay,
You
the
got
problem is
you got
that you're watching YouTube and it goes 15 seconds after, and but
oh
our audio is real time.
bro, that's crazy. I don't know. There has to be a better way to do this.
Yeah. Okay.
we're, gonna, we're gonna watch these first two episodes in 5 years and we're gonna laugh so hard, bro.
Thank you. I want you to be red. Why the fuck is red going to ES? You know what? Fuck this shit. I don't need any indicators. I'm ICT's favorite uh favorite fucking student. Okay? Fuck and indicators. Get out of here. Bye. Thank you.
Yeah. You're nasty. Yeah. That's how you know we're getting old, fam.
She's fucking shit, man. Come on, man. It's fucking kids. Fucking colors. Right on my face. I'm gonna put everything black and white.
Yeah. Uh, yeah. Just a heads up. So I got into it on a mini contract as well.
Nice.
I'm aiming for a relatively close. Yo, kudos to Jose, bro. He was just listening to us ramble.
Yeah. That's what he does the best. He's super, yo, we've been hanging out for years already. For years. I'm talking years, bro. He's
That's
such a
those,
nice guy, man.
yeah. I think it's cool when it like when the relationship goes back that far and then you both find something you're both into, right? So like you're into trading and then now he's like getting into trading too. Bro, I think that's I don't know, man.
Yeah,
That's
we started hanging out because of I used to work in a Spanish restaurant in Miami and he used to be a guest.
Mhm.
And then he played not anymore like that, but he used to play a lot flamenco guitar.
Mhm.
And you know, like I'm in the music industry, so we started just, you know, like hanging out, the three of us, Jose, me, and my other friend Gabby, that he's also an investor and a trader
Mhm.
in Miami as well, but he just recently moved to Mallorca, to Spain. And yo, the rest is history, bro. Like we became, you know, like a clique, you know.
Yeah, yeah. I hear you.
Yo, talk to the chat. I'm going to the bathroom. Be right back.
Yeah, what's up, chat? I just scaled into my second position. We'll see how we get in here. How do I feel? I don't know. You know, I feel pretty comfortable. I don't like this though. I don't like. I'm not liking these rejection wicks.
Before going, I'm gonna put your screen on big. There you go.
Okay. Let's see how. What am I aiming for? So I'm aiming for these relative equal lows right here. It looks like a really good spot to take profit. So I'll do full TP here. I'll probably do. I'll do one. I'll do one partial TP here. Cool. So I set one partial TP just because there's a gap here that still needs to get filled.
Damn, you got 2 minutes? What the fuck is going on in here? I can't go to the bathroom. Damn, every time I go to the bathroom is something happening.
Yeah, bro. I scaled in around here. Scaled into my second position here. I'm aiming for this gap to get filled. And then full TP is going to be at the bottom, but we'll see. We'll see. My original stop loss was at the top for 150. But because I scaled in, I want to make sure that it continues to stay within my stop loss limit. But
How much is your stop loss? How much are you willing to risk in the trade?
So right now 95 because
that's nice.
We'll see. So it's rejecting off that 2-minute fair value gap, but I want to make sure it closes beneath it. If it can close beneath it, honestly, you know what? I'll move it up to here. 135. So if it can close here underneath, oh bro, TP will get hit for sure. But I feel pretty comfortable about this. Yeah, market structure shift right here. I don't know. We'll see, bro. I could get slapped, to be honest. Yeah, there's an injection, volume injection happening right now. 10 seconds.
Oh no, that's a nice. This should be the entry. I was about to enter, literally, because I saw that on the 5 minutes there's a fair value gap that just got touched. Now you're good, man. I don't wanna pursue the price. If we go a little, if we go towards 933, I'll enter the trade as well. But this was a nice entry, literally when I was in the bathroom. Now I will pay literally $70 more to get into a trade. I will be kind of late to the party.
Yeah, don't FOMO. Definitely don't FOMO, bro.
No. I'm just telling you that the train of thought,
Yeah.
because it is a nice entry.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm still pretty nervous. Like my original entry was up here. My original entry was here for the one contract. Once I started seeing this this rejection here, this candle, I entered my second one, so my average price is like here. Oh, I'm nervous. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm pretty nervous about this one.
The only thing that I don't like is the volume imbalance on 935.
935. This one. Yeah. Yeah, I hear you. Ugh. Ugh. Well, we'll see, bro. We'll see, bro.
Because it's also in the 15-minute, but maybe we touch the end dot, before even retracing to grab that liquidity.
Yeah, I'm hoping it. Honestly, I'm hoping it closes this gap. Like if it closes this gap, I'll feel pretty comfortable on the 15.
Oh, that can be a rejection gap. Is it 15?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I'm kind of getting nervous about right now.
Nah, but we're going towards the end dot. Still, like, wicks can make the damage, and that's
Yeah,
enough for you to get your first TP.
yeah.
Not a lot of volume in the market, I guess, because of everything that is gonna happen tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah, you got a big day
By
tomorrow.
extent, tonight, GBP, Euro. Tonight is gonna be a fun night.
Yeah. It looked good on the 5. Like, it still looks good on the 5 minute.
Yeah, it does. Definitely. That rejection in there. And we also have a volume imbalance on top of the end dog. No, you good, man.
Yeah. Yeah, I wanted to close this gap. Like, I set uh my partial TP just for this gap here to close that gap. And then full TP for, you know what, I'll put it just slightly above. Right. So you got relative equal lows right here, which is my full TP. We'll see how it goes, bro.
Now it's just a waiting game, dude. This is man waiting for the entries,
Waiting for a TP to get hit, and like everything in between is, I don't know. It's definitely like something that you got to work on. So chat, that's, this is live and raw emotion right now.
Hell
Hey,
yeah.
believe.
Tell him, boy. You got the stage. You got the stage.
Bro, I wish I could be like Tanya, man. Like Tanya's, the way Tanya just like,
She's
she
so
wins.
stoic, bro.
Oh, it's crazy. Crazy. Like, one day, even Justin, bro. Justin shows a little bit of emotion, but
Justin is a little bit more aggressive.
yeah, yeah. But
Yeah, go ahead.
no, I was just gonna say like the thing with those two is like they have incredible conviction in their models, and that's the major difference. So, but yeah, go ahead, bro. What do you say?
Okay. Oh my god, what I just discovered with the fucking colors. You can chain taps in the I know, fuck. It doesn't work. Get the fuck out of my face, bro. Now I don't want colors anymore.
All right, man. So this is the candle. This next 5 minute candle is when things start to change. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. A minute.
It's a very nice entry towards the downside. We rejected the fair value gap. At least the first TP gonna get hit.
Let's hold, brother. Let's hold, brother.
On ES, we just touched the opening at 6.
Yeah, that makes me nervous.
But we do have we do have a what is this in here? A bowling imbalance right on top of the end dog. So I think you're good, man.
Yeah, like my conviction in this trade is still quite high. It's, bro, the consolidation phase just trips me out, bro. I think I'm okay, bro. Like I think my TP will get hit. Regardless if it does, it's good. If it doesn't, that's okay too.
It's a very nice entry. Fuck. Every time that I go to the bathroom, something happens. I'm gonna have to be like the old people that have those things to take a pee, you know?
Catheter.
Like, no, a catheter. I don't want to put nothing inside my pee pee, bro.
Bro, that's what you have
Like
to
a
do.
bottle, something next to me,
Oh, bro, you'll need a 2 liter with the amount of beer we drink.
like a wee wee pad or something.
Yeah, bro, go get a diaper. That's how. Whew.
And
Ice
this
is
is the
just.
patience and the patience that you have to develop, and also on the other side, the not to FOMO, right? Because you see somebody getting into a trade that is actually a what it seems that is a very nice trade, and just because somebody's on a trade, you don't want to jump into it like crazy. You need to follow your plan and your strategy. And if it didn't give you the entry because you weren't in front of the computer or anything like that, you just have to let it ride and look for another opportunity, if anything, if not tomorrow. You know?
Yeah.
Don't put yourself at risk. Now I can do this. I can go to my practice account and jump into it. Yes. Can we do that? Yes. But subconsciously, I think that you should treat your practice as it was your real account. Just
That's
because
a
of
good.
the reason that the habits that you develop and create, you know? If you do
Yeah.
crazy stuff on your practice, more probably that you're gonna do some crazy stuff on your real account too.
Yeah. Like if you think about it, like your risk to reward ratio on your practice account should be the exact same on your combine or your actual personal account. Because if you start trading, let's say like you go into your practice account and you play with 5 contracts for a mini, but you would only actually do one on your real account, bro. Like you're just building bad habits. Don't do that. I second what you said, Nasty.
I'm showing here the disclosure and performance disclaimer statement. This is hypothetical or simulated performance results. We are not giving you any financial advice. This is all demo. This is not real money, okay? Whoever wants to believe it, believe it. If you don't believe it, not a problem. How's your emotions?
I'm okay, bro. Hold on, let me check my heartbeat. Resting heartbeat at 79, bro. I'm okay.
Ah,
I'm still resting.
79. That's fine.
But it is higher because usually it's at like 65. So
Yeah, but that's the beer that you had.
yeah, that too. Usually Louise. There's 3 of us watching though. Is there someone else watching us? Do you know?
Supposedly, yeah.
Sweet. What's up, chat? You got any questions? We're still new to this ICT concept stuff.
But we're making it happen little by little.
Yeah. Better than yesterday, worse than tomorrow. That's how it
Amen.
goes.
You never know who's watching. You never know. Cause well, how is that called when you type something on the title that is like probable for somebody else to type, like keyword research, something like that.
Wait, what?
I don't know how is that called, but it's like keyword research, like
Yeah.
the positioning on YouTube. You know the
Oh,
metadata.
yeah. Sorry. So I thought of algorithm. I don't know if that's what you were thinking of, but that's what I thought.
Well, the algorithm work in your favor when you use the right words, and on the
Yeah.
lives, I'm using like words that are keywords. That's the word that I was looking for. Keywords.
Yo, I don't like what I'm seeing here.
That week.
Woo. Yeah,
That
that was
week, huh?
yeah. That's
Do you wanna zoom in to your NQ because ES is doing nothing right now in there so people can see better?
yeah. I got you. Really, I'd like to see it just shoot downwards. Just made a. So I might stop.
I mean, it's just either or, right? Because we are right now, if we're going to the downside, we're just grabbing liquidity from the fair value gap. If we're going to the upside, we're just literally grabbing liquidity from the fair value gap that was created at 6.
Yeah.
So it's a tough spot to be.
Well, it's all patience, man. It's all patience.
I think,
Patient.
but I think you're in the right in the right side of the spectrum, for real, for real. Because on the 5 minutes, it's just that retest. That would be a nice entry for me. I'm gonna try. Fuck it. That's it. Risking 150.
Good luck, brother. Yeah, bro. Get on this trade with me, bro. Get on this roller coaster.
Now, because like this rejection, I mean, as I just said, it can be both sides, right? It can go both ways. But we're rejecting the fair value gap on a nice way. We're likely to go back to the new day opening gap that was created.
Mhm.
ES is rejecting from the fair value gap as well. My heart is racing a little bit right now. That's adrenaline rushing.
Yeah.
Uh, but I will be good in a second. But yeah.
Yeah.
We would say, right, that if we grab some liquidity, we need a nice uh, rejection. We're playing by the book, shorting, aiming for the end dog right here.
Mhm.
And let's see what happened.
Oof, I got hit.
You got hit?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm still alive. Still alive for now. We are feeling the volume imbalance that we have in here. Yeah, I just got hit. But I'd rather that way, you know, like it's quick, not
Yeah.
painful, you know. I'd rather that way than be waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. If you're gonna stop me out, stop me out. I was wrong. Okay, fine, I was wrong, you know. All right.
Now we look for. Now we chill. We just chill and wait for a new entry.
So it was a rejection from the fair value gap and the volume imbalance on ES.
Mm-hmm.
It did seem like a nice trade for real,
Yeah.
you know.
Honestly, okay. So how could I have played that better? Um. Okay. So with these rejections here, just didn't want to go below. I already felt like I should have take out or closed the position when I got to this area. Um, but I didn't. I wonder. I wonder.
I mean, listen, you play by the book and the strategy, right? Which has been accumulating here right on top of the volume imbalance and the end dog. Price was likely to go and move towards the end dog. And obviously, look at this shit right now. A big wick to wick me out, and then it's gonna go my way. Same problem as always. Very tight stop loss. My stop loss should have been on 19,941 to give it a little bit more room, right? But yeah, I'm fine. It's fine. We grab the bowling imbalance. We just wait. It's tomorrow. We have a lot of news tomorrow and tonight. So what I'm gonna do is just chill and wait what liquidity we grab. All right. One loss is part of the game, you know. 165 down, it's all good. Yo, Q, you're muted, bro. Your mic is muted.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm doing the same thing. I'm waiting for one of these buy side liquidity to get swept, or if it sweeps buy side, that's a good confirmation. I don't want to get into the same thing I got into yesterday. That would just be safer. Let's see.
Side liquidity. So side liquidity right here. Save as save side liquidity. Boom, boom. There you go. All right, chat. So we just got wicked out. We're waiting for another chance. I was convinced that the price gonna wanted to go down to the new day opening gap that we just created because we were super close. We also have a volume imbalance in there that I was a little worried about it. I put my stop loss right above it. One of the main problems, I paid $300 yesterday to realize that my problem was fear and the stop loss. And today I made the same mistake. Okay, so I realize it, but I have to work on it. I wanted it to be a cheap trade. But definitely, you pay for tuition. That's what is happening. Feelings. I don't feel bad at all. It's part of the game, it's part of the process. I get it. I would have waited an entry, and my enter would have been on the volume imbalance, if anything. But it looked like a nice, like opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
The only thing is that we didn't wait for an SMT to be created as an extra confirmation.
Yeah. Yep. Crazy. Yeah. 3 minute, that 3 minute candle. I still think it's a short, dude. I want to take another stab at it, to be honest.
What's your limit for today?
350.
You already got 200?
160.
Oh, 160. Shit. I also got 160.
Yeah. 160 for the tax. I got taxed. I can't tell what's going on.
Because of the market conditions, I need to see a liquidity get swept. If I don't see a liquidity get swept, I don't enter a trade. Because there's no continuation or anything like that. There's no like we are on an uptrend and I'm just getting into a trade because of another black or a fair value gap on a little retracement or anything like that. I don't want to FOMO the price. So if we don't sweep anything, that's all for me today.
Yeah. Yeah, me too. I'm just watching the 15-minute now. High time frame sweep. Just want a high time frame. High time frame sweep.
When in doubt, zoom out, they say.
Yeah. I was getting
Narrow.
dude, watching price action. Honestly, chat.
If trading isn't boring, you're doing something wrong.
I mean, sometimes you need a little bit of action, right? But if you jump into a little bit of action, you have to accept the consequences. And I recommend that if you do so, jump into the action with smaller capital, like micros, or with your practice account. Don't jump into the market because you're FOMOing or because you just need to feel the adrenaline rush. If you treat trading as a profession, as a business, if you think about it, like you take less trades, right, and more like A plus setups, because you don't want to fuck up your risk, your business, just because you feel like you need an adrenaline rush, right?
Yeah.
That being said, I'm gonna open a beer.
Nice, bro. Yeah, I got my second one.
I'll be
Bro, I
right
got
back,
fucking.
chat. BWs for the big L's, a lot of L's in the chat.
I'll be right back. Yes, sir. What do we got? Still nothing. Still nothing. Honestly, bro, I hope Top Step gets alerts. That just make my life so much easier.
I'm very curious about how the market. Let me look a little research in here. I want to see if Topstep have. What is the forex that they have, man? What's the what can you trade? British pound, Canadian soybeans, little cattle, Ether, Bitcoin, crude oil, Nasdaq, S&P, Russell, silver. Oh, Russell, okay. Silver, gold, Dow. Oh, the Dow is MYM. We were looking this morning for the Dow.
Yeah.
Crude, platinum, Nikkei, S&P, Russell, Nasdaq. Okay. So the only forex they have is the Canadian dollar, British, and Australian dollar.
Yeah. I want to take another stab at this short, bro.
Do you know if ICT concepts they don't work on gold, right? Gold is kind of weird. It's a little wild.
Yeah, it's bro, it just moves so fast, man. It won't move for like a minute, and then the next minute it's up like 3 4 points.
I think gold more like, I think gold moves more like on order blocks. Well, fair value gaps as well. Fair value gaps tend to be respected. When it comes down to order blocks. What else do we have in? We got the Dow, copper, gold, silver, Nasdaq, rather than it is. The euro. They don't have the euro. Euro FX. Japanese yen. Okay, we got the yen. Let me compare the yen with euro. Euro USD. Japanese yen USD. So the yen moves kind of like the euro. Okay, that's a correlation. Then USD cat. I don't like you.
Yeah. So I started oh bro, I don't care that we're on chat. Okay, so I've been talking to this girl, right?
Okay. Okay. Go ahead, brother.
I've been talking to this girl and like bro, I like her, you know? I actually like this chick. And boy oh boy, you know, whatever. You know? Yeah, like
You're not saying anything, bro. What are you so worried about? Oh, I don't care that I'm on the shot. You know, I like this shit, but you know, like whatever. So, what the fuck?
fucking commitment issues, bro. Oh,
Confidential information.
just give me the info, man. Give me the info.
Now, if you jump, jump. Like, don't hesitate like that.
Yeah.
You're making the chat wondering, like, what the fuck is happening here? Come on, man.
Yeah, you know. Yeah. Anyways, it's mad weird, bro, because we're both committed. We're committed to each other. Ah, whatever. I'll figure it out. Yeah, chat dubs in the chat for
For your homie, bipolar Q.
yeah, exactly.
Yo,
Yeah,
this market is so slow, man.
it's so slow. You know what though? I think it's because it's before. What's tomorrow? Wednesday.
Tomorrow is Thursday, my first day back at my job.
Shit.
I work tomorrow, man. Back to reality.
Yeah, I got an interview tomorrow.
But you know, I have to, you know, like work a couple of days, 2, 3 days in the restaurant. Because my bank account is draining. I was even considering to take some money out from my crypto investment, but I don't want to touch it. But you know, like I'm tired, bro.
Yeah.
I
I
went to DR for a month, and then I went to Spain for a month, straight up. Like I didn't work for two months and a half.
yeah.
Work like physically work for somebody else. I did work for me. You know, like editing videos, making music, trading. I was busy, but you know, no income for not a serious income, because I have some money coming in here and there, but nothing that is like, you know, life changing kind of shit.
Yeah. Yep. I hear you. I hear you, brother.
All right, so we're chilling here. Just watching price action,
I
practicing
got-
patience.
yeah, no, not me. I got into a position, brother.
Right now,
Yeah.
you the alerts, huh? You took out the alerts, huh? Motherfucker. If you didn't tell me, I didn't even realize. Yo, I took out the alerts too, because that shit made me nervous, bro.
Wait, which one?
Autofill.
Oh yeah,
Autofill.
it's a raw hit or miss, with that thing.
I took out the
But,
notifications. A nice entry, bro. Look at you.
we'll see, man. We'll see. Don't get too hyped up yet. Sure enough. Let's see. Let's see what happens. I'm still aiming for these relative equal lows. Chopped, bro. This market's chopped. 15? What's the 15 look like? Jeez. Jeez.
Where's your stop loss located and why did you entry?
5 minute order block. 5 minute. Is it 5 minute? Sorry. So 3 minute order block created here. This is the fair value gap that was created when this market structure broke, right? So it filled that gap, but it was still within the order block. That's why I took it. You had this that filled it, this rejection, this rejection. Oh, I just felt I don't know. I felt comfortable taking it. Like even now, like I'm actually quite calm on this one. This one compared to the first entry, I'm a lot calmer in this
I
in
mean,
this
you
entry.
you also have a better price.
Yeah, yeah.
You enter on a discount, definitely.
Yeah, because that was what TE optimal optimal trade entry. So usually you like to see price retrace back into the 0.705 zone, stop loss right above the 0.79. So it hit that parameter earlier for me. So I was just waiting. I wanted to see these two wicks or these two candles. So I put my stop loss right above the 0.79, and I'm putting, if I stick, bro, if I was to stick to what the optimal trade entry is, this is where my TP would be, right? Justin likes it, bro. Justin Worthing's ballsy. Like he puts, and this is the difference in his edge. So his edge, he'll have his take profit right here.
On the -2, right? -1, -2.
Yeah, -2. He makes sure to set it like his TP for -2. I don't have that. Like I have conviction in my setup, but I'm still a bit of a newbie, so I like to keep it where I know price can hit, which is like these relative equal lows. So we'll go from there. That should be, yeah, that's should be a 2 minute fair value gap. 2 minute fair value gap. Retouch of the 2 minute fair value gap. I'd like price to reject and continue its heavy movement downwards. We'll see. We shall see. Yeah.
I think price can steal this.
If
I think
anything,
price
that
can.
would be the first TP. How many contracts you have?
I'm only doing one. I'm only doing one. I don't know if I'm gonna. I'd like to pyramid in or scale in for my second, but we'll see. We'll see. Like technically, this would have been a great entry for my second contract, but we're still within this range, so it's still kind of iffy for me. Um, yeah, like I want to scale in. I want to scale into a second contract right now. I want to.
I enter with my practice just because I don't feel too comfortable because we don't have SMTs and we didn't sweep any liquidity on the upside. I'm just gonna sit on my hands, but I enter with my practice.
Nice. I honestly like yesterday that was the big problem for me. I didn't wait until we swept a high and I got burned for it. Um, but it doesn't look like price wants to continue moving up. Like it really respected that consequent encroachment that was created on the 15-minute.
It does. It looks like that, definitely.
Yeah.
It can be a very nice trade, but I'm not willing to risk.
Yeah. Yeah.
If anything, if you go to the bigger time frames, what is in there that it will tell you this is an A+ setup?
Sorry, say that again.
If you go to the bigger time frame, like 5 or 15 minutes, what does it tell you? Oh, the fair value gap that was created in here, the inverse fair value gap still respected on ES.
Yeah. Bro, honestly, for me, it was that consequent encroachment, man. Like ever since uh ever since ICT talked about that, I think it was lecture 6 or lecture 7. I've observed price every time it hits like consequent encroachment, and like it usually tends to respect it. And if it disrespects it, it'll disrespect it fast. But um, yeah, like what is this? So 2:30, it couldn't reach that relative equal high that was created early in the morning, right? Um, and then lower time frame, right? 5 minute, go to the 5 minute. You got consequent encroachment, rejection, right? Made another relative equal high, tried to push for it, still couldn't do it. Created a fair value gap, market structure shift. 2 minutes, sorry. So on the 2 minute, same thing. Because price is fractal. We'll see. We'll see. I'm still learning this stuff. But yeah, so you got relative equal high here. You got market structure shift. You got market structure shift with a fair value gap, right? Price moved down, filled this gap in, came back up, filled this gap in. This was your order block, right? So you got the order block here. Rejection, started rejecting off of it. So I still think it's a good short. Like my bias is still short. That's why I got into this trade again.
It makes sense. Sure. I'm betting for a short as well.
Like what's the 1 hour look like? 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour, like it literally filled in July 23rd's end dog or new daily gap opening, or whatever. Wicked it again. And I don't know. We still have. Oh boy. Oh boy. Here we go. Oh, I got hit. I got slapped.
Yeah,
Damn,
me
bro.
too. Me too. That's why I traded with the practice, because I didn't see any liquidity swept or
Yeah.
anything like that, you know. But yeah, I mean, it was a nice try, man. Did you hit your max daily or what?
No, I'm at 263 right now, so I got one left in the chamber.
Okay, that's nice. You were only risking 100.
Yeah. That was a 95. Took a loss for 95 on that one. 8 o'clock, bro. It's always around 8 o'clock, man. I think I'll only look at the computer around 8, dude, because that's when like it really starts. When it really starts moving.
This is when the opportunity get presented.
Yeah,
I
because that
need.
was just
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
no, because that's the same as yesterday. Yesterday,
The
what was yesterday?
volatility came here at this time because I think Asia opens at 8.
Yeah, hold on. Where is it? Right here. What time was this at? This was bro. Yo, 8 o'clock, man. 8 o'clock was at 8:30 was that entry that we were talking about yesterday. The liquidity sweep was at 7:57. So that's in line with like what's happening right now.
All
Is
right,
this what eight?
let's see how the markets react. We have an SMT right now. NQ is the weakest pair for now. NQ is the weakest pair.
Yeah, I see.
So we swept liquidity on NQ and ES. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that fucking NQ, bro. ES is the strongest pair.
S&P, S&P. I want to see if NQ ends up grabbing that high at 230.
A new version is available. Refresh now.
Sorry, what?
Nah, freaking top stack with the updates.
Oh yeah, I just refreshed my I just refreshed mine too.
All right, so is this an SMT? Yeah. But what is ES doing? These moments are crazy, right? Like,
Yeah.
am I entering or not?
Yeah, it's crazy, bro. Like, honestly, bro, I'm gonna wait, bro. I'm gonna wait until the 230 gets swept. If 230 gets swept on either or, I'm shorting the opposite. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, bro.
I
It's
mean,
so
we just broke above in ES. We broke above and closed above the fair value gap. It can also be a nice long if you're willing to, not you personally, but
yeah. Guess it depends on how ballsy you are. Oh, man. Okay. Yeah, it's moving. Let's see. Let's see. Bro, for real, I want to take another stab, man. I want to take another stab at this short. I'm married to my bias. I might be. I might be.
you might be, bro. I mean, look at the price since 12 p.m.
But yeah, it's all upside. Jeez. I'm gonna be pissed if it hits my TP, bro. Or maybe Asia's just consolidating, dude. Maybe Asia's consolidating for tomorrow.
Is the algo stopping everybody out? The ones that are going short and the ones that are going long.
Yeah. Bro, I'm wondering if it's generating. It's definitely generating both sell side and buy side liquidity.
Because it's not really a clear entry, you
No,
know.
no. And look at all these fair value gaps that are getting disrespected, bro. Both up and down. We're in consolidation, dude. Oh,
What is the price doing? NQ, what are you doing? Is this an SMT, bro?
For what?
Is this an SMT right here? Right here?
Yeah, that's what I marked it as. Let's see. Let's see.
Equal highs, failed to sweep the buy side liquidity. We got an SMT on ES. But I wanna say that this is if you look at ES, this is kind of like a buy model right here. Went up 50% retracement and with the way up to grab the liquidity. You know?
Mm-hmm. What are you thinking? You're gonna get in?
Am I? I might not. Who knows? Because this SMT in the highs, I don't. If I'm on a long, I don't like to see this. It should be on the bottom, and on the bottom we don't have an SMT.
Yeah.
Right. So if this SMT is working, it's because we are looking for reasons to enter into a short. But you want to enter into a short when the buy side liquidity is so close? Not really.
Yeah.
If it gets swept, okay. But we're also like, what is, so these are the questions that you have to ask yourself. Where are we closer to? New York high or New York low?
New York high.
By extent, what is more likely the price is gonna do?
Sweep high. You think? You think
It's,
it'll sweep high?
no, like what it makes sense is if it's closer to the high, I want to see the price sweeping the high before coming down, you know?
Yeah. You're
You
right.
you get what I'm saying? I'm just using my logic in here. I don't know.
Yeah. No. I hear you, brother. I hear you. I think honestly, I think we're just consolidating, bro. All like based off of my models, the positive and negative fair value gaps are both being disrespected. Like not a single one of them are holding, bro. Like on the 2 minute, the downward fair value gaps aren't working. On the up close, well, yeah, yeah. Fair value gaps to the upside are actually being respected, so that's fair. I think you might be right. Yeah, there you go.
I'm gonna give my shot.
You going long?
Yep.
Nice.
Risking 150. I'm not trading tomorrow because it's gonna be my first day of job, back at
Yeah.
the job, so whatever.
This is not ideal conditions, dude. I don't like it. I should be. Just getting slapped. It got slapped twice, bro.
What are you long in Q? Okay.
Thank you. Yep. You wanna be bossy? I put a stop loss on 250 and fuck this shit. But my stop loss should be here, 150.
Oof.
Yeah, I'm gonna get stop out real quick. Because we have these volume imbalances here.
You're looking at the 1 minute.
5 minutes.
Yeah, I see it. This is not ideal, man.
It's not ideal conditions, definitely.
No, I don't know if I'll take another one. Like I bet the move will happen in London. London will probably make the move.
Yeah, I think
But
we might be forcing trades.
yeah, I think so too. I think I got married to my bias for sure. Like it was good. It was good when I got in at the top, and then I scaled into my second. That's when I lost, and then that's okay. It happens.
You know what? I'm gonna risk it like that. Cause even if I'm wrong, I need to reprogram my brain with the fucking stop loss and stop being as scary as. So I'm gonna leave my stop loss on 260 and that's it. You know?
Mm-hmm. You
It's
think?
part. Yeah, go ahead.
No. So the girl I'm talking to, she asked me. She's like, she's like. So do you think like trading is gambling? You know. And the answer I gave her, I was like, yeah, like it can be. I think it's more of a gamble if you you continue to So I basically gave her like the poker phrase, paraphrase, or example. It was like you have two poker players. One's a weekend warrior, and the other one does it professionally. The difference is the weekend warrior is willing to lose 5K, whereas the one who does it professionally makes sure that like if he hits his max win or max daily loss, he's done. He won't get back in. Whereas like the gambler or weekend warrior is willing to lose it whether or not, and if he's on a win streak, then he'll just continue. And that's the major difference. So like, can trading be like, is trading gambling? Yes. It definitely can be, but it depends on the trader himself, right? So that's what I'm trying to think of right now. Like, am I um
It's control risk.
yeah, for sure. And that's the difference, right? So like now I have to check myself and see whether or not, if I was to get into another trade right now, hypothetically, would I fall under like the gambling archetype,
Yeah.
right? So that's what I'm trying to figure out right now, because technically I did hit 250. Although it's like 350, I don't know if I want to lose the 350. I'm at 263 right now.
I
Oof.
mean, for example, what I'm doing right now is just I'm fighting my psychology because my stop loss it will be here on a regular basis, and that's
Mm-hmm.
why I get stop out too quick. I'm trying
Mm-hmm.
to reprogram my brain by
Mm-hmm.
my train of thought that I just described you. I want to see the price sweep a liquidity to the outside before making a move to the downside. If
Mm-hmm.
I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Whatever, I'll pay the price, right? And I will
Mm-hmm.
be, it will be uh 150 plus 250 is like 250, like $400 loss. It's fine. I lost $400. I lost $400,
Mm-hmm.
but I need to reprogram my brain and not to have those tight stop loss because I'm on fear mood. Like
Yeah.
it's okay, bro. It's okay. You're risking 260 to make 800. It's fine. Yeah, I need to reprogram my brain in order to keep, like evolving. Because if I don't do this, if I don't put myself towards this kind of uncomfortable quote unquote situations, I
Mm-hmm.
never gonna be able to evolve. If I was wrong, I was wrong, and that's it. But I need to pay the price, kind of thing, right?
Yeah.
I'm not losing money. I'm just taking money away from the profits. So that's also a good sign, right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, and that's it. I'm just like you have to push your brain towards the things that make you uncomfortable, and tight
Yeah.
stop loss make me comfortable on a trade because it's like, oh, if I lose, I just lose a little bit of money, right? But when you don't stop hitting stop loss, and then you get stop out, and then the price keep moving towards the your TP, like it happened yesterday and the day before and the day before, it's
Mm-hmm.
like, bro, like what the fuck? Like, just because you're not willing to lose money, like, I mean, come on. Like, you have to reprogram that. So you have to get uncomfortable. And that's the
Yeah.
only reason why I am quote unquote breaking my rules now,
Mm-hmm.
because my previous rules were wrong. My previous train of thought were wrong. I need to reprogram my mind and be strong and be like, yo, 250 to make 100. Okay, that's fine. Now, the trade that we took before that we got stopped out for 170 also was a nice train of thought. But like if we didn't have the stop loss that high, maybe we would have, like will be able to take some profit on the way.
Yeah, yeah. I hear you. I hear you.
It's painful to lose 400. It's painful to lose 400. Of course it is, but man, it's just, I have to, man. I have to. It's a must, man.
I hear you, brother. I'm with you. Scared money don't make no money, boy.
Yeah, exactly. Same way with the, let's not only talk about the stop loss, let's talk about the take profit. I say profit, take profit. It's cool.
Yeah.
Yes, it's cool. I see money, take money is fine. But how much money you leave on the table just because of fear, right? So the managing aspect of the trading is what I have to get better on. And I'm paying for the mentorship with my stop losses. Well,
Yeah.
let it be then. Fuck that. I'm tired of being like, shit, I got stop out and then the price goes my way. No. You have to reprogram your brain, man.
I hear you. It looks pretty good too because it just touched that volume imbalance right here on the 3 minute. 3 minute volume imbalance got filled, so this one got filled. Just touched that one. Actually, did it even touch? Low 19,928. Low 19,928.25. Jesus, that would have been a sick entry right here. That's crazy, bro. To the pit, man. To the pit. Whoo! Here we go.
Yeah, man. It's the it's mostly the psychology, man. What is like a pain in the ass. But I know I'm repeating myself, but it's just, like trying to like override the program that I have.
Yeah,
You have to take risk, man.
yeah, yeah. No, I get it. I get why you're doing it. Honestly, I think I did the same thing, bro. I think because I lose so many. Yeah, bro. I hear you. I get it. 15-minute volume imbalance. I think that's.
And now comes the other part. It's just waiting to be if you're to see if you're right or wrong.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, do you remember if he said end dog is the close of the previous day session, and the is it the close or the open of the previous session to the close of the first candle?
The close of the previous with the open of the next. So the close of 4:59 with the open of 6 p.m.
Oh, okay. Okay, thanks. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, that makes it easier. Okay. I'm really debating. Yo, I'm gonna get another one, man.
Do you, my brother? As long as it's not gambling mentality, I support you 100%. For example, now that we created a low and there's a volume imbalance in here. We grab this. I want to see this volume imbalance left open, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you ask me, I will move my stop loss in here, right? Why? Because this is equal lows.
Mm-hmm.
But, you know, like, again, I'm going to pay the price full because I don't want to get weak out and then, you know, like keep the move to the upside. If
Yeah.
anything, just say I'm paying for my tuition with my decisions. But right now that we took this volume imbalance in here, right here,
Mm-hmm.
I truly want to see this left open.
Yeah.
So
Oh, that's pretty, bro. Because I did the same. I actually marked out that same area earlier. Yeah. Nice, bro. I like it. Oof. It still.
yeah, now we have a volume imbalance in here that the price is gonna go back to it.
Hopefully not. Hopefully it doesn't touch it. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be getting in again on this in this session, dude. It's
Yeah.
just bad. Right? So atrocious, bro. Like, hold on. Let's count how many. I just want to count how many fair value gaps got disrespected. Yeah. I got one more loaded, but I don't think I'm gonna use it, man. Hold on. So we got one, two, then you have three. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think I'm done for the session, dude. I
Yeah,
can't.
no problem, man. Of course.
It just looks so bad. Like the only fair value gap that got respected. Hold on, let's double check. The only fair value gap that got respected is technically the 610 fair value gap is the only one that got respected. All the ones to the downside got disrespected. The few that went up, like the 808 candle, that one didn't get respected. And then you had the 836 fair value gap that got disrespected. Yeah, yeah, I'm done, bro. It's just disrespecting way too many fair value gaps. It's not ideal. I should have. So that's good. Okay, so yesterday we learned patience and fear, right? So today's a good lesson on like market condition. Well, for me,
Yeah,
like
no,
that.
I'm my lesson is being what I just preaching. You know, like
Yeah,
the fucking
psychology part of it.
psychology part of the stop loss.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, great lessons. So, tomorrow should be better. Tomorrow should be better.
Nah, I probably not gonna be trading tomorrow.
Hmm. Oh yeah, because you work.
because I'm gonna be working.
Mhm.
Uh, but yeah, like who knows? Maybe I'm gonna be able to jump into at least a call or something. But I
Yeah.
don't know. I, I'm not sure. But yeah,
Yeah.
I'm in here, so I kind of feel like I'm gonna do a set and forget type of shit.
Mhm.
And I'm gonna, because my wife is coming from Florida, from Miami,
Mhm.
and she's getting here in a couple of hours. So I'm gonna cook something, and I just gonna leave that this open,
Yeah. Yeah.
and yeah,
Sounds good,
and
brother.
see what happens. Cause it's that's it, man. I need to, like I say, bro, and I'm sorry that I'm repeating myself, but it's just like I need to fucking get over that fucking fear feeling.
Yeah, bro. You don't have to apologize for that, man. Like
Huh?
we're all working on our own our own demons. You know what I mean? So yeah, bro, you're all good, dog. I support you, bro. I support you.
Thank you, brother. It's always a pleasure to share my struggles with somebody like you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, same. Likewise, likewise. You see me at my worst. We're good, bro. We're good. All right, brother. I'm gonna get off though. So we'll catch up tomorrow, bro.
Yeah, no doubt.
All right, man.
Bye.
Have a good one.
Well, I'm gonna leave this open and let's see what happens. You guys gonna see it with me.